Hey there, Babcock fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are at Babcock National previewing our newest listing here in Babcock Ranch. It's Terrace Unit 645. It's the Birkdale floor plan, part of the golf included line of condos that you're going to find here at Babcock National. Let's run inside and take a look here. So as we walk inside the unit, the Birkdale is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, just under 1,200 square foot. And to the right here, this is the master bedroom here. So nice sized bedroom. You've got 2 closets here, and then you also have the master bath here with the commode, the singular sink, and the standalone shower. And then coming outside of the master bedroom here, right across is the guest bedroom. So this is your guest bedroom here. And then just off the guest bedroom is your guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode. And in this bathroom you have the combination tub and shower. Now coming out into the main hallway here, to our left you've got the laundry space here. As you can see, big enough for a full-size washer and dryer. Plenty of room for additional cabinetry and cabinets, as well as shelving in that laundry space. And then you open up into the great room here. So the Birkdale is really nice and open here in the great room area. You've got this huge kitchen island here, and the white cabinets, stainless appliances, granite countertops. This unit here comes with a beautiful backsplash. You've got crown molding, and then right off the kitchen here, you have the dining space and your great room here. So notice how much space you have in a dining room here to accommodate a large 6-top table. And then you've got your nice space here as well. Last but not least, you've got your exterior lanai and views. So arguably some of the best views here in Babcock National from this building here. That is Lake Babcock there. You're going to see some beautiful sunsets right out of your lanai, as well as seeing the golfers go by. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this unit, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.